the first way I can tell you guys how to make money is through this website called coastmarketing.com. With this website, you can make up to $100, which is pretty cool. So if you guys don't know, YouTube pays, well, YouTube doesn't pay you. Google AdSense pays you, and you basically get paid through ad revenue. And this website basically allows you to do this, but without YouTube, with your Facebook account. And a lot of people have Facebook accounts, so I feel like this is very useful. A lot of people don't know that you can get paid through Facebook, so I really suggest, well, I recommend you guys share this video with, or these tips with, a lot of your friends so that they can make $100 really easy and really fast on the side. I'm gonna read off the steps for you because it's not hard to do, but I'm gonna have like the steps in the description bar down below. But first, you're gonna go to www.coastmarketing.com. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here for you guys to see, to apply, and then you're going to fill everything out. But you guys have to, I'm actually going to do it along with you guys. Marketing.com. It's gonna say, do you have a laptop or computer you access Facebook from? Yes. Do you have a Facebook account that is more than 6 months old? Yes. Have you ever used your account for advertising purposes? No. Are you willing to sign up for a free PayPal account so we can pay you? Or click yes if you already have a PayPal account. Yes. Congratulations, you are pre-qualified to make $100 through Coast Marketing. So you're just gonna fill all this out, and then in the referred by section, you guys are gonna put Lavish Ruby like this. Just like that. And then you guys are going to submit after you have all that information. After you guys fill that out, you guys are going to text the number 760-456-7082. I'm going to put the phone number on the screen, and you're going to say, I am ready to enroll. And then afterwards, in the actual registration process, you guys would have put your email address. So they're going to email you like a full list, not really list, but like steps that you guys are going to take in order to start up the advertisement in the app. Not the apps, what's it called? Ad apps. It's not hard to do. It's actually pretty easy. And they're going to set up the advertisement thing on your Facebook account. The girl that I'm working with, well, I'm not really working with her. Basically, one of my friends actually told me about this, and sadly I wasn't able to do it because I don't have a Facebook account, which is really sad. Well, actually I do have a Facebook account, but I haven't had it for over 6 months, so I wasn't able to participate in this. But the lady Lauren was able to work something out with me where I'm able to, if I refer 5 people, I get $20 for every person. I get $20 for every person that I refer, and you guys get $100. So basically, it's a win-win. You guys are getting $100. I'm getting $20. So before I can reach the amount of money you guys are going to get, I would have to. Damn, why am I showing off my broken finger? I would have to refer 5 different. Wait, I broke 2 nails? I didn't even realize. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's embarrassing. I don't even know. I probably broke it like looking for something in my bag. That's crazy. But yeah, so the lady Lauren, she's going to, you guys are not going to be talking to a robot. She's going to actually call you guys. They're gonna have a whole conversation. She's really nice. She's so sweet, actually. Make sure you guys mention, well, you guys don't have to mention over the phone if she calls you, but just say that you were referred by Ruby if you guys could. That would be very nice of you guys. But you guys will get your $100 at the end of everything. I'm going to actually pull up the email. Yeah, also for most of the stuff, you guys would have to have a PayPal account. So if you guys don't have a PayPal account, you guys can use a link in the description bar down below to make a PayPal account, because that's like the easiest way for people to pay you. Actually, I think all 5 of these different ways to get paid, you guys need a PayPal account. So you guys can just skip that. I mean, not skip, that's it. Do that right now while you guys are listening to me talk in a different tab. I'll have the link in the description bar if you guys don't have a PayPal account. It's free and it's easy to sign up. There's like, you guys don't need any real like information, I don't think, besides your bank account, so they can put the money into your, I don't even think you guys need a bank account to have PayPal. I'm not even sure, honestly. The first session is going to take 15 minutes where they're going to set everything up. Then they're going to do another session, which is going to be 5 minutes. And after that 5-minute session, it's going to, you guys are going to read all this in your email. After that 5-minute session, you guys are going to get $25. And then after that, you guys are going to do another 10-minute session, and that's going to be another $25. And then after that, you guys can basically get $50 every week just by following the steps, which is pretty cool. Honestly, I'm just gonna try and see if my mom can do it because she does have a Facebook account. The next way you guys can make money fast and easy is by Ibotta. I've talked about this several times before. Ibotta is basically a rebates app, similar to Ebates, but I feel like this is more like applicable to me because of the best thing that they have on there. If you guys know me, you guys know I use Uber all the time, like every day. So basically you guys get $1 back for every Uber ride you get, so you get cash back for doing stuff that you guys do every day. So like if you go to Target, you guys can get cash back, and if you like buy stuff at Target, Best Buy, what other stuff do they have here, Amazon, Kohl's, Walmart, there's a whole list of stuff you guys can get, but the link in the description bar, you guys will have, so the invite code I have in the description bar down below is going to be, it's going to be like ibotta.com/DDJOARN. I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys, and I'm going to have the link in the description bar, but you guys get an automatic $10 to your account. So after that $10, you guys can, after that $10, all you need is $10 more, and you guys are able to redeem. And you can get this money by, first off, just letting you guys know, right now I have $161. Right now I have $161 and I have $75 available, and I only have $75 available because I've already cashed out. So this app is legit. Like, I've already cashed out. I think I cashed out $74. I don't even know the math. Is it 74? 161 minus 75. Let's do that real quick. This should be mental math for me, but it's not. Minus 75. Oh, I'm bugging. But yeah, so you guys are able to cash out using a whole bunch of different ways. You can use PayPal, or you can use a ton of different gift cards that they have on the app. This is like my favorite thing. I just go through this app seeing different ways I can like round up my money. I don't know, I feel like I'm a very goal-oriented person, so like by the end of the week I'm like, yo, I want to have $100 in my Ibotta account by the end of the week. And you can also so yeah, there's different categories for different places you guys can shop on here, so you guys can just look through and see what's around you. But there's grocery shopping, mobile shopping, beer, wine and spirits, pharmacy, clothing, beauty and wellness, specialty, restaurants and bars, convenience, crafts and gifts, home and electronic, travel. So I'm actually gonna buy my plane ticket on here, Cheapo Air. If you guys know what Cheapo Air is, you guys can get money back from just using Cheapo Air to buy a ticket, like a plane ticket. And I'm planning on traveling a lot next month, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, I have $161 already, and it's lit. I'm so proud of myself. I basically get to see all the people that I invited, like all their names and stuff. Yeah, so I get to see everybody's names and stuff of the people that I invited, which is so cool. So if you guys see your names here, shout out to you guys, because you guys are lit and you guys are using the app. I'm so happy. Yeah, so I did mention it on Snapchat before, so if you guys have me on Snapchat, you guys are like, you guys already know this, you know. So add me on Snapchat if you guys haven't already, because I be putting you guys onto everything I know. I put you guys onto. The next website I have for you guys is a typing website, so you guys get paid to type, which is actually pretty cool. So basically authors use this website when they need help with typing, or they're just too lazy to type stuff themselves, or yeah, so you guys can make up to $150 a day by using this website just by typing. It's called textbrokers.com/authors, so I'm going to put the link to that in the description bar as well. So you basically get you earn money to write content. So basically with this website you can get paid up to 5 cents per word for like every word you type. And if you type like say 1,000 words, which is not that much because you don't really have to do too much thinking into this, like you don't have to put that much thinking into this, 1,000 times 5, that's 5,000. I don't know why I did that math. What is wrong with me? This should be mental math. So 1,000 times 5 is 5,000, right? Because if you do 1,000 words, 1,000 times 5 cents is 5,000, and you divide 5,000 by 100 because there's 100 cents in a dollar, and that's $50. So you get $50 just for typing 1,000 words, which is lit. Like, I write like essays all the time. I don't get paid for that, you know. So yeah, you guys can find more information on that website. They give you a whole bunch of different information. It's free to sign up, it's free to register, so just click on the link, register, and you're good. The next website I have for you guys is getting paid to search the web. So basically, all right, I don't know how better to explain this, but I compare it, except for I don't know how to really explain this, but you know how Google is the top search engine in the world right now? It's 60% of people use Google and 20% use Bing. So people like Bing is in competition with Google because 60% of people use Google instead of Bing. So you actually can get paid to use Bing instead of Google. It's called Bing Rewards, and it's not, you guys don't get paid a lot of money, but it's something, like, especially for me that literally Googles everything. Like I can be in class just Googling stuff just because I don't feel like listening to the teacher. No, I'm just kidding. My mom's probably watching this, like, what is Ruby doing? But yeah, I literally Google everything for everything. Like I Google literally everything, and well, not Google, I Bing everything, or I search everything. So there's a thing called bingrewards.com, and they basically pay you for every search that you do, which is cool, honestly. It's like an easy way to make money, so I don't understand why you wouldn't switch your thing from Google to Bing, because Google is not paying you. And along those lines, you can also get paid to test out websites. I'm gonna put a whole bunch of different links in the description bar down below, but there's so many. There's usertesting.com, where they pay you like $10 to $15 for just 20 minutes of looking through websites. That's more than you get per hour working at an actual job. Like, people get hype off of, well, I don't have a job, so I can't really talk, but people get paid like $10 an hour. You're getting paid $10 for 20 minutes of work, so that's lit. If you're working for an hour, you can get $50. So, but I think there's like limits of how much you can get per day for some of these websites, but that's why there's so many different websites. There's UTest, there's What Users Do, there's Validity, I don't know, there's a whole bunch of different websites. I'm going to put the link in the description bar. It's easy for you guys to register, and you guys just follow the steps and you do what you got to do and get your money. But yes, most of these you get paid $10 or $5 to $10. Some of these are even, ooh, this one is $15, so it's lit. Like, honestly, I don't see why you wouldn't do it. The last one I have for you guys is called Swagbucks, where you get paid to do surveys, which is another easy way to get money. And you can get paid to do surveys, watch videos, play games. Like, you know how when you were younger, you would play games, but you won't be able to play the game until after you watch an ad? So the game actually gets paid by the ad to have the ad on there, forcing you guys to watch the ad before you play the game. So basically, you guys are just watching an ad and getting paid for free without having to play the game. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know what I'm saying. But yeah, so regarding the games parts, I just give my phone to my brothers and make them play the games, because they actually like playing some of the games. And then you can just watch a video. Most times I just click on the video, do something else, and it's like they put points, and then the points add up to cash, and you get paid through PayPal. Once again, most of these stuff you get paid through PayPal. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel like the fastest way you guys can get the money is by Ibotta, or the first one I told you guys about, coastmarketing.com, which is lit. Actually, all of them are pretty fast. I don't know what I'm saying, but Ibotta is my favorite one because I just like seeing the amount of money on there. I don't know, I put something on Twitter earlier today, like, I love saving money. I don't know if that's saving money, but I just love seeing the number like add up. Even though I already withdrawed, I see that big number saying 161, and I'm just like, yo, I really have $161 doing absolutely nothing. So it's lit. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're excited for more videos to come on in this series. I'm also planning on doing a back to school series, so let me know when you guys go back to school, or when I should start doing back to school series. Also, what type of back to school videos you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye guys. In New York, I merely rock, hiding in my socks, running from a